Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two essentials. Mobile data is on and signal is strong enough to share. Once done, unlock your Redmi and go to Settings. Tap Portable Hotspot or Tethering and Hotspot. This is the entry point where you'll configure the network name and password. Make sure airplane mode is off and Bluetooth is disabled to avoid conflicts. You're doing this now so the phone can act as a router. This first action gets you into the hotspot controls fast. Now you configure the how. Pick a clear SSID and a strong WPA2 password so others can't access your data. Then choose the AP band, select 2, 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for higher speed if supported. Set a device limit and idle timeout to control bandwidth and battery use. This prevents unknown devices from staying connected. Once configured, enable the hotspot toggle. These choices affect performance and security, so set them deliberately to match your needs. At this final stage, you connect a laptop or tablet. Pick the Redmi SSID and enter the password you set. If a client won't get internet, first toggle the hotspot off and on, then restart mobile data on the phone. Make sure the client obtained an IP address. If not, switch AP band or forget and rejoin the network. One key troubleshooting tip. If internet still fails, check your carrier's tethering restrictions and disable battery saver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.